Hello guys, welcome back to the channel MedPharmaco Essentials. Today it's very rainy over here as well as there is very cold climate. So I was just thinking about who in our body works more in this cold climate. So it was none other than the heart. Okay, our heart works really hard to maintain the body temperature in this very hard cold climate also. And along with that I came across an article which was describing about the more number of heart attacks or the increased rate of heart attacks is seen in the winter season. So when I was going through the article or when I was researching about the topic, I got to know a lot of points that I want to discuss with you all. So this thing can help all the precautions that you can take to prevent your heart in this cold climate, or you can suggest the elderly populations how they have to take care of themselves in this cold climate. So let's go through the video and understand more about it. Starting with the discussion, when environment gets cold, our body adjusts to hold on to that core temperature and stay warm. The cold weather takes away your body heat, so your heart needs to work harder to keep you warm. The elderly populations are more prone to this condition. Do you know our blood vessels will narrow so that our heart can focus on pumping the blood to our brain and other major organs? So, let us know what this cold climate does to our body, or particularly to the heart. In cold climates or winters, the heart pumps faster, blood pressure increases, heart works harder than usual. Sometimes blood can thicken and that can be a very worst condition, causing the blood clot in the blood vessels, leading to the conditions like heart attack and strokes. Do you also know that cholesterol level rises in the midwinter time? Apart from this, another interesting thing that we have to consider or we have to know is that in the blood, our immune system components will help us to fight against the infections, as we all know this. But in winters, the number of these immune components increases and boosts your natural defense mechanism against this cold and flu germs, which is a very good thing. But in winter, this more boosting of the immune components can also pack the more plaque into your artery walls, and this can increase the risk of heart attacks. Now, the major important thing is what are the signs of heart attack. So, how you can understand that a person is going to have a heart attack. So, what are the signs and the symptoms that you can see inside the patient? First is the chest pain, which will usually last for few minutes. The patient or the person feels like an elephant is standing on his chest. So there is vomiting sensations as well as pain in the arm, back, shoulder, neck, jaw, and also abdomen sometimes. The patient will feel shortness of breath, sweating, and feeling of fullness in the center of the chest. Coming across all this information, the main thing that we have to do is preventing ourselves, right? Preventing your heart from getting such a worst condition. So, what can you do? There are 7 ways to stay warm and protect your heart in this winter. First is keep yourself in the home. Okay, if there is very cold climate outside, so avoid going out unless it is very necessary. Okay, stay indoors as much as you can if it is very cold outside. Wear sweater, socks, blanket to keep your body warm and avoid cold showers. Prefer hot meals and homemade vegetable soups that can help you to keep your body warm. If you get chest pain, wear a scarf wrapped loosely around your mouth and nose, or you can also wear a mask so that you can breathe a warm air. Consult your doctor if you experience any of the above mentioned or previously mentioned signs and symptoms for better treatment. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was very useful. Please like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.